You probably believe that a nice long walk is the ultimate way to make your dog happy. I used to think that too, until one evening I looked into my dog's eyes and realized Sparkle's spark was gone. I still fed him, took him outside, played fetch, yet something was missing. Have you ever felt that way? Like you're doing everything right, but your dog still seems off? Here's the truth, dogs crave so much more than just exercise. They thrive on quiet, subtle things we often overlook. These gentle gestures are the real keys to a dog's heart, small moments that light up their world. Today, I'm going to share 13 powerful things dogs love even more than a brisk walk, and at item number 4, you'll learn how a simple touch can actually lift a dog out of the cloudiest depression. If you want to become the kind of dog parent who truly understands your best friend, hit that subscribe button now. Let's unlock a deeper bond, starting today. Number 1. Heart-centered listening. Most of us think feeding or fetch shows love. But the very first thing a dog wants is for you to listen, really listen. Notice when their steps slow down. See when they hesitate at a doorway. Feel the soft sigh as they lie next to you. When your dog turns away, tucks its tail, or simply releases a quiet breath, that's communication. Instead of rushing to fix or cheer them up, take a moment to pause. Be still, observe without judgment. That silent, heart-centered listening tells your dog, I see you. You matter. Nothing a toy or treat can replace. Number 2. Presence, doing absolutely nothing. After you've listened, the next gift is simply showing up without an agenda. No phone in hand. No checklist of commands. No obligation to play. Just sit beside them. Let your dog lean against you while you read, sip tea, or stare out the window. For countless dogs, the happiest moment is curling up next to you, feeling your breathing and pulse. This unhurried presence deepens trust. In those wordless minutes, a powerful connection blooms. You don't need to entertain. You just need to be. Number 3. A clear sense of purpose. Dogs are built to work. They need a role, a job to do, even if it's small. When they feel useful, their whole spirit lifts. Assign a door guard, let them sit by the front door, watching for visitors. Give them a slipper fetch duty, ask them to carry your slipper to you. Let them be your quiet companion at your home office desk. When your dog has a task, any task, they walk differently. Head up, tail relaxed, eyes bright. Feeling needed gives them pride and purpose. And a dog with purpose is a dog who thrives. Number 4. Mindful touch, the depression lifeline. This one is veterinarian-approved to pull a sad dog right out of the doldrums. It's called mindful touch, not just petting, but truly intentional, present petting. Watch your energy. Are you distracted or rushed? Place your hand softly on their head or chest and stay there. Stroke with slow, even motions back and forth, ear to tail. When you touch your dog with full awareness, you're not just soothing fur, you're calming their racing heart. They can literally drift into sleep in your arms, knowing they're safe. That gentle, unhurried connection can be the turning point for a dog steeped in sadness. Number 5. Freedom to choose. Have you ever noticed how a dog's tail wags harder when they pick the direction to walk? Allowing your dog small choices taps into their sense of autonomy. Let them decide which path to explore. Pause when they want to sniff a particular bush, don't yank on the leash. Give them permission to stop and rest when they need it. Every time you honor their choice, just a hair's breadth of control, you're telling them, your instincts matter. I trust you. That sense of independence boosts confidence, making your dog feel like your equal, not just your pet. Number 6. Soft, loved-up eye contact. Dogs read our souls through our eyes. A warm, unhurried gaze can offer more comfort than a dozen treats. Look into their eyes with gentle softness, no harsh criticism, no impatient blinking. Hold their gaze for a heartbeat longer than usual, let them see they're cherished. By contrast, a cold stare when you're angry can scar their spirit for hours. Dogs remember. When you look at them with unconditional warmth, everything else fades into the background. Number 7. A safe haven. The world can be overwhelming. Honking cars, blaring sirens, screaming kids. You might not realize how much your dog needs a sanctuary, a place to retreat and recharge. A cozy crate lined with your old t-shirt. A quiet corner of the living room with soft blankets. A sturdy cardboard box draped with a towel and a favorite toy inside. Dr. Temple Grandin's research shows dogs without a den are 4 times more likely to develop destructive coping behaviors. But when they have a protected space, their stress markers plummet and they bounce back from anxiety 70% faster. Creating a true safe haven is like giving your dog an emotional shield. Number 8. Predictable daily rituals. Dogs don't need a rigid schedule, but they crave knowing what's coming next. Predictability calms their minds. Feed them at the same time each day. Give the cue, let's go, before every walk. Have a consistent bedtime routine, lights dim, soft music, last potty break. When your dog learns the rhythm of your home, mom always opens my bowl at 6 p.m. Dad always says car ride, they relax. Their entire day falls into a comforting pattern. In that steady flow, separation anxiety simply can't take hold. Number 9. Meaningful, intentional play. Play isn't just about burning energy, it's about connection. Dogs don't need hours of fetch, they need play that feels personal. A gentle hide and seek, let your dog find you behind a door. Hide treats in a snuffle mat and watch them nose hunt. Get down to their level, lie on the floor, make soft eye contact, and let the fun unfold slowly. When you play with intention, sharing eye contact, soft laughter, and genuine joy, you're sending the message, I choose to spend this moment with you. That kind of play melts their heart in ways ordinary games never can. Number 10. Your familiar scent. Dogs live in a world of scent. To them, smells are as meaningful as words. An item carrying your scent can be a lifeline during your absence. Leave an old t-shirt or pillowcase in their bed. Place a worn sock in their crate. Dab a cotton ball with your perfume, just a faint touch, near their favorite nook. When your dog gets that familiar whiff, it's like you're right there, whispering, I'm still with you. For many pups with separation anxiety, scent bridges the gap between alone and together. Number 11. Your peaceful energy. Have you ever noticed how dogs mirror your mood? If you're anxious, they become jittery. If you're calm, they exhale a small sigh of relief. To truly care for your dog, you must care for yourself first. Take a deep breath before you enter the room, let your shoulders drop. Center yourself, know your dog feels every ounce of your tension. Practice a moment of quiet mindfulness before petting or playing. When you cultivate a tranquil inner world, you radiate a peaceful energy that says, everything's okay. That energy is the bedrock of your dog's sense of safety. Number 12. Natural light and environmental stimulation. You might think darkness is restful, but dogs actually need soft daylight and a little bit of outside action to keep their spirits high. Open curtains so they can watch birds, leaves flutter, and people passing by. Place their bed near a window with gentle sunlight at least part of the day. If possible, let them hear nature sounds, wind chimes, gentle bird songs rather than a constant hum of traffic. Bright, dynamic surroundings stimulate their minds in a healthy way. Natural light helps regulate their internal clock, boosting serotonin levels and keeping depression at bay. Number 13. A cozy, comfortable resting spot. Finally, every dog deserves a spot that feels like home. A soft, plush bed that conforms to their joints. A small blanket that smells like you. A quiet corner away from drafts and high-traffic areas. When your dog has a dedicated, comfortable place to nap, they drift off with fewer worries. That sense of security, feeling wrapped in softness, makes dreamland feel safe. And a well-rested dog is a clearly happier dog. Segment 15, Conclusion, Call to Action. So there you have it, 13 things dogs love far more than just another walk. From heart-centered listening to a cozy nap in the sunshine, these simple, everyday gifts are what truly light up their world. Which one will you try first? Will you spend 5 minutes today just sitting quietly by their side? Or maybe give them the freedom to choose their own path on your next stroll? Share your experience in the comments below. Let's build a community of dog parents who know how to speak their dog's emotional language. If this video touched your heart and your dog's, please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss these life-changing tips. Remember, when you show up with your full heart, even the smallest moment can transform your dog's day. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, go make your pup's world a little brighter.